Getting your home ready to sell quickly doesn't have to feel overwhelming. With a few targeted steps, you can make your property stand out, attract more buyers, and move toward a faster closing. Whether you're working with a traditional agent or taking control of the process yourself with a flat-fee MLS service like ListLean, the right preparation makes all the difference. Start by decluttering and depersonalizing your space. Buyers want to imagine themselves living in your home, not sorting through someone else's memories. Go room by room, packing away items you don't use daily. Remove personal photos, kids' artwork, and anything that makes the space feel too customized. Pay special attention to closets and cabinets. Neatly organized storage areas signal that your home has plenty of space for their things. Next, focus on curb appeal. The outside of your home is the first thing buyers see, and it sets the tone for their entire visit. Mow the lawn, trim bushes, and clear away any dead plants. A fresh coat of paint on the front door or porch can make a big impact. Simple touches like a clean doormat, clear house numbers, and a few potted plants by the entryway can help your home feel welcoming before buyers even step inside. Don't overlook small repairs and updates. Walk through your home as if you're a buyer seeing it for the first time. Fix leaky faucets, squeaky doors, or chipped paint. These minor issues can make buyers wonder about bigger problems. Replace burnt-out bulbs and consider updating outdated light fixtures. A quick coat of neutral paint can refresh any room and appeal to a wider range of tastes. Staging your home doesn't have to be expensive. Rearrange furniture to create an open, inviting flow. Use simple accents like fresh flowers, tasteful artwork, and cozy pillows to make each space feel welcoming. Maximize natural light by opening curtains and blinds, and use lamps to brighten darker corners. The goal is to help buyers visualize a comfortable, stylish life in your home. When it comes to your listing, professional photos are crucial. Most buyers start their search online, and bright, high-quality images will make your home stand out. A professional photographer knows how to use lighting and angles to showcase your home's best features. Make sure your home is spotless and well-lit before the shoot for the best results. Pricing your home correctly is key to a quick sale. Research similar homes in your area to see what they've sold for recently. If you're using a service like ListLean, you can access market data and even get professional guidance to help you hit the right price point. Stay flexible and be ready to adjust your price if the market demands it. Overpricing can slow things down. Finally, be ready to show your home on short notice. Keep things tidy with counters clear and laundry tucked away. Consider offering virtual tours for buyers who want to view your home online before visiting in person. And for peace of mind, keep valuables and personal documents securely stored. If you're looking to save on commissions while maximizing your home's exposure, consider a flat-fee MLS listing through ListLean. You'll get your property in front of a wide audience without the hefty costs, while still having access to professional support and guidance. A little preparation now can make a big difference when it's time to sell. For more tips and to start your FSBO journey, visit listlean.com today. Your quick, successful sale could be just a few steps away.